All right, first grade friends. So to start off this project, we are going to write our name and class code, just like that. Make sure to flip it over. Then you are going to make sure to have a table paper. You are going to make sure to have a paint shirt, a folded up paper towel, a paintbrush, a water bowl for your table, and paints for your table. Just like this. Now, today we are not going to use the black or the white. What you're going to do, since these are tempera cakes, but they act a lot like watercolors, you are going to start by putting a little puddle of water in your first color. You're going to start with red because we are going to be painting the colors in rainbow order. So you're going to start with red, turn your paper long like this, side to side, and you're going to start at the top by painting your red all the way across in one line, just like that. You don't want to make it too thick because you still need room for the rest of your rainbow colors. I'm going to clean off my brush. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Remember, wipe it on the edge and then test it on your paper towel. Still have a little bit of red in there. Much better. Now, since I'm doing orange next, I'm going to put a little puddle of water in there first. Swirl it around to mix the water with the paint. If you don't swirl it around to mix the water with the paint, your colors will come out not looking very bright. So I'm going to put that orange right next to my red. Just like that. Now I'm going to clean off my brush. Make sure to wipe it on the lip. A little trick to help you know just about how wide to make your lines is your red, orange, and yellow should fit in one half of your paper, all your warm colors, and then your cool colors should fit in the other half of your paper. So you fit 3 colors on one half and 3 colors on the second half. That'll help you kind of know how thick to make your colors. So I'm going to wipe this off, check. Oop, there's still a little bit of yellow in my brush. There we go. You can see that my colors are going long across my paper. They're going long across my paper. Please make sure your paper is going in this direction and you're painting in this direction. Next I have blue. Now just because your paint is maybe there's a hole in the center or it's a little crumpled up like this one, that does not mean that it is empty or does not work. The whole sides are also paint, so you're just gonna have to kind of rub your paintbrush on the paint that is still there, but it still works, my friends. Like this one's kind of crumbly, but it's still gonna work. I'm just putting these colors next to each other. I'm not painting over the color before it. I'm just putting them next to each other. We don't want to blend them together. Now I just have one color left. I'm going to make sure to rinse this off really good. Test it on my paper towel. Looks good. Now I just have purple left. All right. Now you can see now that I'm done painting, there is no white spaces on my paper. It's a beautiful rainbow. So this is it for part 1 of this project. We're going to do the next part next class after our painting has dried. So please make sure you carry this with 2 hands over to the drying rack. put your brush in the green bucket next to the sink. Make sure if your whole table is done, your paints and your water bowl get put on the counter next to the sink. Your paper towel goes in the trash and your table paper gets folded up and put away nice and neat back in the bucket, and your paint shirt also gets put away.